How's it going, everyone? Day 3 of SEMA here in 2019. My name is Bryce Green. I am with
Freddy, Carlson,
the man, the myth, the legend, and
Kev Dog.
the only Kev Dog. We're hanging out in the SATA booth right now, and we are loving it. We got our head painter here, Freddy. Freddy, tell us a little bit about why you love SATA so much.
I like it because they put paint on the car good. Other than that, I don't really know. No, they're great. I mean, they've got everything you ever want. Great clear guns. 5500 series right now, the brand new gun is really, really impressive, and we're spending a lot of time with that, so we're really enjoying SATA.
Now, what this show doesn't really portray is who the real painter is, and that's this guy.
And that's why I love SATA so much, because it makes my crappy craftsmanship look so good.
It does. It really does.